Walking around the Astro Van, all-wheel drive. Body is very straight. A little bit of corrosion starting right there in the wheel well. Could be addressed very easily if one was so inclined. Does need tires. They are old and should be replaced very soon. Interior looking great for the age. Few signs of wear here and there. There's a little cracking on that armrest. Come on, you. There we go. Does have rear climate control as well, so lots of vents, and it is blowing cold. Seats look quite good. Oh, there we go. Little mini barn door setup. This would be perfect for camping. So cool little van. Needs a little bit of work, but you don't find these in any condition very often anymore, and definitely not in this solid a state. Good morning, folks. We're driving another rare one. 2001 Astro Van, all-wheel drive with only 101,000 miles. Now, this does need a little bit of work. Very clean van, but it does have a misfire. So it appears that it most likely needs an injector replaced, but beyond what, quite frankly, we're going to do. So you can call it a mild project, but it does go down the road okay. It just needs to have that addressed. Otherwise, very clean van, cold AC. And you should be able to hear that misfire on here. So it's on one cylinder. That's why the check engine light is on. Drives well otherwise. Steering is nice and centered. Brakes feel great. Underneath, van is very solid. Has the 4.3 V6, so a very durable platform. Let's see here about testing the cruise. Alright, cruise is on. And it is working. So if you're ready to do a little bit of work, this is a great van that you just don't see anymore, and the fact that it's all-wheel drive, should be able to tow a decent amount with it. It has rear AC as well, and rear heat, which is surprising. So cool van, needs a little bit of work. And there you go. Happy bidding, and you have a great rest of your day. Astro Van undercarriage. little bit of surface crust, but very solid vehicle. Frame looks great. Rockers also look great. Yeah, very, very, very solid all-wheel drive van.